DiamondGate Liquid Nano Screen Protectant. Don't worry about cracked screens again. Just one application of these liquid nano drops provides optimal shatter and scratch protection for all of your favorite devices. Each kit contains everything you need. Here's how it works. Remove all protective film, foil, and/or glass covers from the surface on your device. Turn the device off. Put on provided plastic gloves that are enclosed in the silver packet. Moisten the gray sponge provided in the packaging with clean water and thoroughly clean the glass on your device. After the cleaning process, dry the device thoroughly with the provided DiamondGate microfiber cloth until no moisture is present. Open packet 1, remove the cleaning cloth and clean the display surface thoroughly. Wait 5 minutes. Failure to wait will result in poor DiamondGate NanoShield performance. Open the nano vial and pour the recommended amount of nano liquid drops on your device's glass screen. Using the provided polishing pad, distribute the liquid nano polish evenly in both a circular and straight movement until the liquid nano is evenly distributed. Remove gloves and wait at least 15 minutes before proceeding to the next step. Polish the device glass surface with the enclosed DiamondGate microfiber cloth. Once the device is fully polished, the device can be turned on and used. Shatter-resistant, scratch-resistant, DiamondGate Liquid Nano Screen Protectant comes with the highest grade nano on the market and a 1-year full screen guarantee.